Learning a new language is an exciting yet challenging endeavor. Whether it's for personal growth, travel, career advancement, or simply to connect with more people around the world, becoming proficient in another language opens doors to countless opportunities. However, the journey can feel overwhelming without the right resources and guidance. This is where ChatGPT comes into play. ChatGPT, an advanced AI language model, provides a personalized, interactive, and flexible approach to language learning that can cater to learners at any level. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore how you can use ChatGPT as your language tutor. Unlike traditional learning methods that may feel rigid or impersonal, ChatGPT adapts to your unique pace, preferences, and interests. You can practice conversations, get grammar explanations, build vocabulary, and much more, all tailored to your specific goals. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with practical strategies and actionable steps to maximize your language learning journey with ChatGPT. Why ChatGPT is a powerful tool for language learning. The versatility of ChatGPT makes it a powerful tool for mastering any language. Here's why. 1. Real-time interactions. 2. Flexibility. 3. Personalization. 4. Multifaceted learning. 5. Versatility. 6. Strategic module. This tutorial will provide a step-by-step guide on how to utilize ChatGPT to learn any language, from the basics of vocabulary and grammar to advanced conversational skills. With ChatGPT, you'll learn how to set clear language learning goals that will help you stay focused and motivated. Use ChatGPT to practice speaking in real-life scenarios, such as ordering food, having casual conversations, or participating in business meetings. Build a solid vocabulary foundation by generating word lists tailored to your needs and interests. Master grammar and sentence structure with ChatGPT explanations and correction capabilities. Enhance reading and writing skills through exercises and personalized feedback from ChatGPT. Overcome common challenges like motivation slumps, plateaus, and language anxiety with practical strategies. Track your progress and continue improving over time by regularly assessing your skills and revisiting tough areas. Benefits of learning with ChatGPT. Learning a language with ChatGPT offers several distinct advantages. 1. Convenience. 2. Non-judgmental feedback. 3. Customizable learning experience. 4. Active participation. 5. Instant feedback and clarification. Defining your language learning goals. One of the first steps towards successfully learning a language is defining clear, actionable goals. Learning a language is a broad task, and without proper guidance, it can quickly feel overwhelming. Setting specific, attainable goals is essential for staying on track, measuring progress, and keeping yourself motivated. Start by asking yourself why you want to learn this language. Is it for travel, business, or personal interest? Are you aiming for conversational fluency? Or do you need to master professional vocabulary? Once you've identified your why, you can begin setting SMART goals, those that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying "I want to learn Spanish," a SMART goal might be, "I want to be able to order food in Spanish in 2 months," or "I want to hold a 5-minute conversation in Spanish by the end of the year." ChatGPT is a great companion for setting and refining these goals. You can start by telling ChatGPT what your language learning objective is, and it can help you break this down into steps. For example, you can ask, "How can I structure my learning if I want to be conversational in Spanish within 6 months?" ChatGPT can then suggest a plan that includes vocabulary building, grammar exercises, and conversation practice. When planning your schedule, keep it flexible but balanced. Break down your language learning into different components: speaking, listening, reading, and writing. ChatGPT is extremely helpful here because you can use it to practice any of these skills. Speaking, you can initiate a conversation in your target language, with ChatGPT responding as a native speaker, listening, while ChatGPT doesn't produce audio natively. It can recommend podcasts, YouTube videos, or other audio resources to improve your listening skills. Reading. Ask ChatGPT to provide texts or articles in the language you're learning, starting with simple paragraphs and gradually increasing complexity. Writing. You can write short essays, emails, or messages and ask ChatGPT to give you feedback on grammar, vocabulary, and style. To get started with personalized conversation practice, you first need to determine the types of conversations you want to focus on. For beginners, it's best to start with simple, everyday dialogues. Think of situations like introducing yourself, asking for directions, or ordering food at a restaurant. For example, you could ask ChatGPT to simulate the following conversation. Let's talk about trends in French. These kinds of deeper conversations push you to think critically in the target language, exposing you to more sophisticated grammar and vocabulary. Conversely, if you're ready for more of a challenge, you can ask for more complex sentences and advanced vocabulary. For instance, can you ask me questions? Using advanced Spanish vocabulary? This way, you can gradually increase the complexity of your conversations, ensuring that you're always learning at the right level for you. You can see how ChatGPT pops out questions in the related instructions given to it. You can check out the response of ChatGPT and go through it to learn those things properly and consistently. One way to use ChatGPT to build vocabulary is by asking for word list based on specific topics or situations, e.g. travel vocabulary. For example, if you're traveling to Japan, you might want to focus on travel-related terms. Simply ask, "Can you give me a list of essential travel-related words in Japanese?" This approach is incredibly efficient because it allows you to learn words that are directly relevant to your needs, whether you're focusing on business, hobbies, food, or shopping. You can tailor your vocabulary learning to what's most useful for you. However, learning vocabulary doesn't stop at memorizing lists. To truly master new words, you need to practice using them in context. Ask ChatGPT to create example sentences that incorporate the new words you've just learned. This reinforces understanding and helps you remember how to use these words naturally in conversation. For instance, can you make sentences with the travel words in Japanese? ChatGPT will bring out these words. All you have to do is to learn them and incorporate them when needed. That way, you will notice you are becoming confident in conversing with that language. Another effective method to boost your language learning journey is to summarize the texts you've read. Summarizing forces you to condense information and highlight the key points, making sure you understand the main idea and supporting details. You can write your own summary and ask ChatGPT to check for accuracy. You will see how ChatGPT pointed out the error in my sentence and corrected it. Summarizing text ensures that you retain the essential information and reinforces your comprehension skills. We have come to the end of this video. Always remember to leave a comment in the comment section and to subscribe to our YouTube channel.